Thanks for tuning into Mystery Curtain, where every gadget has a story waiting to be told. Join me as we explore the latest innovation, test its limits, and decide if the AlphaWorks W39 is the latest portable Bluetooth speaker to hit the market. A direct successor to the W38, and it manages to blend classic retro styling with modern sound technology at a surprisingly affordable price point of around $79. At first glance, the design language is what really captures attention. The W39 embraces a vintage aesthetic with a rectangular form measuring 162 by 84 by 88 millimeters. Small enough to be carried around with ease, yet large enough to pack a punch in terms of audio performance. Its exterior is wrapped in a rubberized casing that adds durability, while the front and rear are covered with metallic mesh grills finished in a copper gold tone, adding an element of sophistication and charm that makes it as much a decorative piece as it is a music device. The AlphaWorks branding sits neatly on the grille, signaling the brand's attempt to deliver both style and functionality. One of the standout design choices lies on the top panel, where the control buttons are located. Instead of basic plastic keys, each button is styled with concentric metallic rings, featuring diamond-cut edges that reflect light beautifully, making even the act of pressing play or adjusting the volume feel more premium. On the right side, a rubber flap conceals the connectivity ports, a USB-C charging port and a 3.5mm aux input. This ensures both wired and wireless playback options remain available. The bottom is equipped with 4 circular rubber feet that prevent the unit from sliding or vibrating excessively when playing music at high volumes, a detail that directly improves sound clarity and stability during use. Durability is another factor AlphaWorks clearly considered. With an IPX4 water resistance rating and the rubberized body, the W39 feels tough enough to withstand light splashes, minor drops, and the usual wear and tear of travel. Inside, AlphaWorks has upgraded the audio system. Compared to the previous generation, the W39 houses a 1.9 by 3.5-inch woofer, a 1.5 by 1.8-inch tweeter, and a 5.1 by 2.2-inch passive radiator, which work together to deliver what the company calls its signature sound. In practical listening, this translates into a layered audio profile, where bass, mids, and treble are each distinct, avoiding the muddy blend common in lower-end portable speakers. With an RMS power output of 35 W, the speaker can easily fill a medium-sized room or outdoor space with sound. It produces a surprisingly loud output without heavy distortion, a crucial point for a speaker that markets itself as both stylish and travel-friendly. Connectivity is modern and reliable, thanks to Bluetooth 5.3. This ensures faster pairing, more stable wireless performance, and lower power consumption compared to earlier versions. In addition to Bluetooth, the aux port allows for wired playback from music players, laptops, or older devices, giving users flexibility. There's also support for TWS True Wireless Stereo, enabling 2 AlphaWorks W39 units to be paired together for a wider stereo soundstage. Ideal for parties or gatherings. Sound quality is always subjective, but after some hands-on testing, the W39 reveals its character. The tuning leans toward a V-shaped sound profile, which emphasizes bass and treble while slightly recessing the mid-range. The bass is punchy and rounded, making EDM, hip-hop, and dance tracks especially enjoyable, while the mids are improved compared to the previous generation, giving vocals better separation from heavy beats. Treble, while present, is somewhat thin and lacks the sparkle audiophiles might crave, meaning acoustic or vocal-heavy genres, like ballads, are handled adequately but not exceptionally. Still, for mainstream music and energetic playlists, the tuning is effective and fun. Battery life is another strength. A 4,400 mAh internal battery provides up to 12 hours of continuous playback on a single charge, more than enough for a day trip. a picnic, or a casual evening gathering. Charging via USB-C keeps it future-proof and convenient. In conclusion, the AlphaWorks W39 is a portable Bluetooth speaker that successfully merges retro-inspired design with modern features. It offers durability, water resistance, Bluetooth 5.3, TWS support, and most importantly, strong audio performance with 35W output. While it isn't the most refined option for critical listening, its price, portability, and stylish looks make it an excellent companion for travel, outdoor activities, or simply as a chic decorative speaker for the living room. At $79, it's a product that delivers far more than expected for its cost, striking a balance between fashion and function, making it a compelling choice for anyone seeking a reliable and attractive portable speaker without breaking the bank.